Are you tired of constantly having to clean your electronics in your workspace with brushes and cloths? Brushes and cloths. Well, I'm here to introduce the Air Duster by Opolar. The Air Duster is a great solution to get rid of any kind of dust or dirt or debris on your electronics. It comes with two attachments. One is a straight one. The other one is a brush. And both of them can go on here like so you never lose them. This thing is USB chargeable. It's absolutely fantastic. And you can even supply it with, well, I don't know. You could pretend it's a Nerf gun or something. I don't know. You could have a battle. I don't know what you could do with it other than dust. But just stay with me. Look at this thing. Look at that. Look at that. What I'm trying to tell you here is you can clean any surface, any electronic, and rid it from dust. Now, these brushes, these cloths, these makeup brushes, they don't get inside of your computer and the dirt away. Only from what I've found, and I've owned this thing for 2 years, the Opolar device will do it. And you don't have to pollute the environment. No, you don't have to. You can, but you shouldn't. And I'll shame you if you do. Now, don't buy those aerosol, those air canisters that get frozen when you use them or gently shake them by accident with all of the warnings on. This doesn't have any warnings on it, okay? It's a time saver, a lifesaver, and it just cleans up everything. I use it for all my studio gear. I do it once a week. I do it for the tables, the computers, my son's computer. I do it for all my electronics, my speakers, my camera, my anything, my lights. All of this stuff, I do it with the Opolar device. Also, just look at it. It's amazing. So it's super lightweight. I think I paid 2 years ago, I think I paid maybe $40 or $50 for it. I've charged it perhaps 6 times in the 2 years I've owned it, and it's always maintained a charge and always been ready for me to use. So again, I use it once a week. Fantastic device. If you think that's something you want, go pick one up. There's a link in the description. I appreciate you. I've been Eric. You've been awesome. Just remember, everything's been an experiment, especially when you're blowing dirt around. You got to be careful. Wear your safety goggles. All right. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.